Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you all? I hope you all will be fine. This is your maths teacher Ambish. This video lesson is for grade 8 from chapter number 4, Financial Arithmetics. Today we are going to solve our exercise 4.2. First of all, I will explain you about the partnership, a business in which two or more persons run the business and they are responsible for the profit and loss is called the partnership. If the partners start the business and close it together with same or different investment capital, this partnership is called a simple partnership. If the partners contribute different capitals for different time period, or at least one partner contributes two or more capitals for different time periods, then this partnership is called a compound partnership. In this case, the profit or loss is divided in the ratio of monthly investment. We are moving to our exercise 4.2. The first question is Aslam and Akram invested rupees 27,000 and rupees 30,000 to start a business. If they earned a profit of rupees 66,500 at the end of the year, find the profit of each one. We are observing in this question that this is a simple ratio question. This is not a compound investment. So we are moving to our solution. The simplified form of the capital ratios are Aslam's share and Akram's share. Aslam's share is 27,000 and Akram's share is 30,000. First of all, we will simplify it with the 1000, or we will simply cancel out three zeros with the three zeros. So we will have 27 and 30, and now further we are observing over there that both are divisible by 3. So 3 nines are 27 and 3 tens are 30. Okay, now the sum of ratios. 9 plus 10. 9 is the share for Aslam and 10 is the share for Akram, and the sum is equal to 19. Total profit that we have to distribute in both the partners is rupees 66,500. So to calculate the Aslam's share or Aslam's profit, we will do like this: 9 out of 19, because 9 is the share for Aslam and 19 is the total sum of the shares. So 9 out of 19 and multiply with the 66,500. This is the amount of profit that we have to distribute in two partners. And after doing all these calculation, we will have rupees 31,500. This is Aslam's profit. Now we are moving to Akram's profit. For this purpose, we are moving that 10 out of 19, because 10 is the share for Akram. So 10 out of 19 and multiply with the same amount that is the profit amount. We have to distribute 66,500, and after doing all these calculation, we will have 35,000 rupees. This is the Akram share, and we are observing over there that Aslam share is less and Akram share is more, because the Aslam investment was less and Akram investment was more. So in this way we can solve the simple calculation for the partnership. Okay, now we are moving to our question number 5, that Akram and Asghar started a business with the rupees 9,000 and 11,000 respectively. Akram withdraw 1,000 after the 6 months, and after the 2 months of his withdrawal, Asghar invested 1,000 more. After the year, they earned a profit of 14,000. Find the share of each in the profit. as we are observing that it is not a simple partnership question, it is a compound investment question. So first of all, we will find the capital for both the partners. Akram's capital for 6 months, this is 9,000, and for 1 month what we will do, we will multiply the amount for the 6 months, because in the beginning he invested for 6 months. So 9,000 multiplied by 6 is equal to rupees 54,000. Okay, now Asghar capital for 8 months, because it is written over there that for the 8 months he invested the same amount and after that he changed. So for the 8 months, that was 1100. For finding 1 month, we will multiply that 11,000 by 8. That will be equal to rupees 88,000. And as he told that after the 6 month, the Akram withdrawal is 1000 rupees. So we will subtract 1000 from 9000. After subtracting, we will have 8000 rupees. So Akram's capital for the remaining 6 months is 8000. So for 1 month, what we will do, we will multiply by 8 by 6. So 8 6 are 48 rupees. 48,000 is his capital for the remaining 6 months. Akram's total capital is 54,000. That was the for first 6 months, and plus 48,000, that was for the remaining 6 months. That will be equal to 1 lakh and 2,000 rupees. And now for the Akram, as it is written over there that he increased his amount, capital amount. How much he increased? 1000. So 11 plus 1 become 12. Now his capital for the remaining 4 months is 12,000. So we will multiply 12,000 by 4 for finding the 1 month capital. So 12 multiplied by 4 is equal to rupees 48,000. And after that, finding the capital, we will add the first 8 month capital and the remaining 4 month capital. So 88,000 plus 48,000, it become 1 lakh and 36,000 rupees. This is the capital for Asghar. And now we are moving for their ratio. The simplest form of the capital shares ratio, Akram's ratio and Asghar ratio. 1 lakh and 2000 ratio 1 lakh and 36,000. As we are observing that we can divide them easily by 1000 to cancel these three zeros. So I will have 102 ratio 136. And both are even number, so I can divide them by the table of 2. 51 ratio 68. And then we can divide them by the table of 17. 17 threes are 51 and 17 fours are 68. So the simplest ratio is 3 ratio 4. Sum of the ratios is 3 plus 4, which is equal to 7. Akram's share in the profit is 3 out of 7, because the total is 7 and the Akram share is 3. So 3 out of 7, and multiply by 14,000, because this is the amount of profit. And by doing this calculation, means 14,000 multiplied by 3 and divided by 7, the total amount will be equal to 6,000 rupees. So this is the Akram's profit. And for Asghar profit, 4 out of 7. 4 is the share of the Asghar, and 7 is the total share. 4 out of 7 multiplied by 14,000. So when I will multiply 14,000 by 4 and divided by 7, I will get rupees 8,000. So this is Asghar share. And to check our answer, either it is correct or not, we will add the profit of both the partners, and if this is equal to the sum, then it means our answer is correct. Means 6,000 and plus 8,000 is equal to 14,000. This is the total amount of the profit. And this is the two questions from your exercise, and I hope you will understand them very nicely. Thank you.